In this video, I will show how to create a poll. So sign in your YouTube studio. Then click on this plus icon. Here click on create post. Now here select what you need to create, like image poll, text poll, or video. I need a text poll. So just click on text poll. Ask your community. I'm asking this question. How many words do you know? Give the options. Add more options. You can add option words limit is 65. Select here public, all channel members, silver and higher, tips and support and higher. If you have membership options, so you can select that one. And if you select public, so anyone can see and participate this poll. If you need post this one, so just click here. And also you can schedule this post or poll. So thanks for watching, share, like, and so this is the way guys you can create a poll on YouTube. Thanks for watching, share, like, and subscribe this channel.